Hey there, and welcome to English Talk AI. This is the place where English learning becomes easy, fun, and natural. No boring grammar books, just real conversations, useful phrases, and smart tips to help you speak confidently in real life. If you're ready to level up your English, you're in the perfect spot. Hit subscribe, grab your headphones, and let's start the journey together.
Hey, little girl, why are you crying alone in this cafe?
I want coffee and cake, but I don't know good English.
Don't cry anymore. I will teach you simple English right now.
Really? You can help me order food in any cafe?
Yes, first use "can I have" for every food or drink.
Can I have... Then what do I say next?
Say the name of food, then "please" at the end.
Can I have hot coffee, please?
Perfect. Now add size if you want small or large.
Can I have small hot coffee, please?
Great job. Now try ordering cake with same words.
Can I have chocolate cake, please?
Excellent. You sound like real customer already.
What if I want both coffee and cake together?
Say, "Can I have coffee and cake, please?"
Can I have coffee and cake, please?
Yes, now you can order anything in cafe.
What about cold drink or hot drink?
Say hot coffee or iced coffee before name.
Can I have iced coffee, please?
Perfect. Now add with for extra things.
With what things?
With milk, with sugar, with cream, with syrup.
Can I have coffee with milk, please?
Great. Now try cake with extra topping.
Can I have cake with ice cream, please?
Wow, you learn very fast today.
What if I want to sit and eat here?
Say "for here" or "to go" at end.
Can I have coffee for here, please?
Yes, now they bring food to your table.
What if I want to pay with card?
Say, "Can I pay with card, please?"
Can I pay with card, please?
Perfect. Now you can buy anything easily.
What about asking price before ordering?
Say, "How much is the cake?"
How much is the cake?
Good. Now say, "How much for coffee?"
How much for coffee?
Excellent. Now you know all prices.
What if I want free water?
Say, "Can I have water, please?"
Can I have water, please?
Yes, most cafes give free water.
What about saying thank you after?
Always say thank you when they help.
Thank you for teaching me today.
You are welcome. Now try real order.
Excuse me, can I have hot coffee, please?
Sure. Anything else for you?
And chocolate cake with ice cream, please.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Coming right up.
Wow, it worked! I did it!
See? English is easy with practice.
Now I can order anywhere in world.
Yes, now teach your friends too.
I will teach everyone in my class.
Good. Now enjoy your coffee and cake.
Thank you so much for your help.
Anytime. Keep speaking English every day. Let's practice more food names now.
Can I have tea, please?
Good. Now try green tea.
Can I have green tea, please?
Perfect. Now add size.
Can I have large green tea, please?
Great. Now try sandwich.
Can I have chicken sandwich, please?
Excellent. Now add bread type.
Can I have chicken sandwich on brown bread, please?
Wow, you are pro now.
What about juice or soda?
Say, "Can I have orange juice, please?"
Can I have orange juice, please?
Good. Now try cold soda.
Can I have cold cola, please?
Perfect. Now add ice.
Can I have cola with ice, please?
Great. Now try pizza.
Can I have cheese pizza, please?
Excellent. Now add size.
Can I have small cheese pizza, please?
Good. Now try salad.
Can I have fresh salad, please?
Perfect. Now add dressing.
Can I have salad with olive oil, please?
Wow, you learn everything fast.
What about soup or bread?
Say, can I have tomato soup, please?
Can I have tomato soup, please?
Good. Now try garlic bread.
Can I have garlic bread, please?
Excellent. Now try fruit.
Can I have fresh fruit, please?
Perfect. Now try ice cream.
Can I have vanilla ice cream, please?
Great. Now add topping.
Can I have ice cream with chocolate sauce, please?
You are ready for any cafe now.
What if I want menu first?
Say, can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
Good. Now ask for Wi-Fi.
What is the Wi-Fi password, please?
Perfect. Now ask for bathroom.
Where is the bathroom, please?
Excellent. Now ask time.
What time do you close, please?
Great. Now say sorry.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Good. Now say excuse me.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Perfect. Now say goodbye.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You can speak anywhere now.
I feel happy and confident today.
Keep practicing every day with friends.
I will practice in every cafe.
Good. Now enjoy your food.
Thank you for everything today.
You are welcome. Keep learning.
If you really learn English, please like, share, and subscribe.